Check out this Shelby we're working on today. This customer actually came to us last year all the way from Pennsylvania, and we put stripes on his car. But now he replaced the hood and wanted some custom lettering on the rockers, so they came all the way back from Pennsylvania to see us. As you can see, that's what Israel is working on here. All right, stay tuned. And here is the final install. This is such a beautiful car and a great color combination. Check out the custom lettering on the rockers. And the customer also added the Shelby lettering to the nose. We greatly appreciate them coming all this way to see us again. Y'all show them some love by liking this post or dropping a comment. And don't forget, all stripe kits come in over 20 different colors. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.